What's up, guys? I just thought I'd sort of help explain this sort of grid system a little bit more, like about rhythm and yeah, a bit more about music theory. So I just want to draw like a brick wall with 4 different layers, and we're going to just think that we've always got to get to the end of the brick wall. The first type of notes, we've got a whole notes. And this looks like a clear circle in music. You might have heard like semi-breves. So here we go. You would have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The next layer down are half notes. And they're also called minims. It's a clear circle with a dash at the top. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. In drumming, we don't get so many of these. You might see that we get like more of the rests. The next layer down are quarter notes or crotchets. Oh, sorry, half notes. That's where we've divided in half. Quarter notes are where we get the main beat, and this is a black dot. Okay, so we get the main pulse. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the final layer down are eighth notes or quavers, not the crisps. And this is where the beat has been split in half again. You could call these subdivisions or a bit of like a grid system. So a single eighth note is a black dot with a tail and a flick. Or you could group them in twos. And actually you can group them in fours as well. And you see quite a lot of that often on the hi-hat in drumming, especially. So what we do is we say and as well. So we go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And that's where we can start to build the rhythm. One more example is where you can start to blend some quarter notes and eighth notes. So if we go for We Will Rock You, boom, 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 we would have 2 eighth notes, because we've split that beat in half, then a quarter note, 2 eighth notes, and a quarter note. So you would have something like this. What? Okay, so however we go, however we move, we need to go all the way through the brick wall. And drumming, music, and this is where it gets quite mathematical, is kind of like fractions and how you divide the beat. So here we go, one more time, We Will Rock You. You get... And you might hear it in other music lessons, spider, fly, or coffee, tea, coffee, tea. So you could use the 1 and 2 and, all the way to the end, sorry, and just know when to press and how much space to leave. So in this case, we're going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And that way you can start to understand the rhythm and a bit more about pulse. There we go, that's today's lesson. Have a good one. Cheers.